Hello everyone, it's Recharger here, and welcome to another 143 scale video. And today we have a Hot Wheels 143 scale. This is the 2021 Ford Mustang Mach 1. Don't have any examples of this car, at least don't think I have. This is from the first set release, where you only got like two cars. So I have both of these now. And yeah, the release date on these, I 2023. Okay, found it. It is in here, like here. You can find it there. Yeah. So this thing, there's like the Jeep has been released twice right now, and I have both versions. Mustang has been released once at least. I have no idea if it's been recolored or not. But yeah, if I do see these like for a good price, I will get them. At least the ones I want. There's one more that I want, but I've yet to see it, and it's the Toyota. I think it's the Toyota Tacoma. I think it's an off-road spec truck, and would love to get that one. But as it's been shown, that it's pretty difficult to get. Also, as you can see, these are easy to open. So you just open this plastic bit. You have your cardboard, and then you can remove the car like so. Super easy to take out, super easy to put it back in if you really want to keep it or sell it for in the future or something. So it is very nice. Storage purposes, not too good with this type of packaging, but it is better than just rip it out. I think they could have done this like for premium cars easily, and it would be, people would appreciate it way more, because then they can take out the card, take like pictures of it, enjoy it in their hand, and then put it back in if they feel like it. So it'll be like very good thing. I don't know why they don't do that for the smaller scales. So yeah, that's enough for the packaging. Let's get to the car. Oop, very nice roller. So at first, when I saw some people opening these, my first impressions were, I don't know, it's a Hot Wheels. I don't think it's gonna pull off like 143 scale. When I got one in hand, I was surprised. I was actually, this is not bad, and the prices that they're found in my country are stupidly overpriced. But if I find them, like this one I bought on Vinted, and I bought it like for 10 euros, which is like uh, more than twice lower than its original price. So it's totally worth it, and I'm really liking the detail. So I think this is a very good one. So you can see like you got your rims, you got your brake discs in there also. If you can see them, brakes, you got your brakes in there, you got your inserted headlights and everything. The design is very crisp, very nice, no dot matrix crap there. Insert details for the back. The base is very detailed, in my opinion. This is like very detailed, like comparing to some cheaper companies that I have opened. The Hot Wheels is putting all the stops here, in my opinion. No opening parts, don't need to. As soon as they're opening parts on 143 scale, for me, that's instantly a toy. I just don't like opening parts on 143 scale cars. I'm okay with them being in 164 as long as there's no massive gaps and it doesn't break the car, and like those parts are normally functional and everything. And when it comes to 118 scale, for me it is very important to have opening parts, because I am paying a lot of money for that car, and I want to see some opening parts so I can see more details inside of it. Otherwise, if it's just like this and that's it, there are people who like that. I personally don't, but to each their own. So I'm not gonna go point at people like you're doing it wrong, or you're collecting wrong or something. Like everybody collects what they want, how they want it, and I think this is a very good model. It does look very good. Tire thread, I think, is a little bit too crazy. Maybe that's my only pointer. I think there should have been something more slicker than looking like it has rally tires. But as you can see, it does roll very good and no issues whatsoever. So yeah, I like it. I hope you liked it. Hope you liked the video. Leave a like if you did. Subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.